Hello dears, and welcome back to the channel Benidorm by Anna. Today it's time for the latest news update from Benidorm Costa Blanca in Spain, the most popular touristic town in Costa Blanca. First of all, let's talk about the situation in tourism. It's really busy. It's not a secret anymore for anyone, although these next few weeks are kind of stopping and going slower a tiny bit because the prices are overwhelming a lot of the times. And this will be our separate news for today. I'm going to show you some crazy things that some hotels are doing and absolutely insane, irrational prices that they are putting in comparison with others. So some of the hotels are having only 60% of occupancy right now, all of a sudden on the second half of July, and others are fully booked. There's going to be a lot of different events happening during this second half of July. So I have them all here written down so that you would be able to enjoy them in case if you're coming right now in July for your holidays to Benidorm town. Overall, a lot of small villages, towns, cities in Costa Blanca and all over Spain, they have something special during summer going on. Either it might be crafts markets, it might be some concerts, some live music performance, it might be something special like water activities, excursions, maybe some activities for children to play, around. Even some of them are free. So check it out wherever you go to Spain on holidays. Check it out with the tourist information office. Ask locals if you know someone, or even the hotel itself, because a lot of the times they will be able to assist you and let you know what else can you do on your holidays apart from being on the lovely sunshine and by the beach. Here in Benidorm, starting from this weekend, this Sunday on the Levante Beach, at the end of the Levante Beach, right by the Tourist Information Office and the Old Town, it's where we'll have a very nice event, which not all people will be able to participate, but you're able to come there. There's going to be some music. There's going to be a lot of people. Levante Beach will be crowded this Sunday, so bear that in mind. There will be a Heartbreak, the 5th edition, which is the swimming contest of a kind. There's going to be hopefully even more than 2,000 people there, and it's 2.9 kilometer swimming route that will go from the Old Town Levante Beach up until almost the beginning of the Levante Beach and all the way back. So you will be able to see a lot of professional swimmers and simply swimming enthusiasts in Benidorm this weekend, Sunday, starting from 9 in the morning. Afterwards, on Wednesday, 19th of July, so basically next week's Wednesday, we will have a free of charge. All these things that I'm telling you right now and what I'm about to say are all free of charge. You don't need to pay any money for it. You don't need to pay any tickets, nothing at all. It's absolutely 100% free entertainment. The musical concert at the Old Town, right by the Castle Viewpoint, the most famous one in Benidorm, by the church. There's going to be a concert starting from 9:30 at night, when it's slightly tolerable to stay outside. On Friday 21st, we'll have another entertainment. This time it's an open air cinema, an open air movie on the beach of Malpas in the Old Town, this tiny Cala Malpas. You can see it here on the map. And that's going to be one of the films. They have subtitles in English, so don't worry, you will be able to watch it with your whole entire family. And it's once again from 9:30 at night, which is when they can already put the screen and you will be able to see at least something on the screen. If not, on a sunny day, it's simply impossible to make the cinema on the open air. And the same will be happening on the next week in August. There's going to be another movie, Spanish movie, a comedy for families, for everyone basically. We will do a separate update for August month with all different events that will be held here in the area so that you would know what to visit, because August is a big month for different events in our Valencian community. And on the 31st, on the last day of July, we will have a very special event. To be honest with you, it's all the way from 24th, 25th of July up until the end. We have huge important celebration in Villa Joyosa, which is right near Benidorm. It's the traditional celebration of Moors and Christians, and Villa Joyosa is taking it really seriously. Some of the nights, yes, nighttime, at 3 at night or 4 at night, they have coming in of all the ships of between Moors and Christians, you know, all the war that's been happening, you know, while they were trying to conquer the land, the Christians, and send away all the Moors. So this is a huge part of the history of the region. And this area will be full of people, full of tourists, full of different events. There's going to be a parade on 31st of July of Moors and Christians. And before that, there's going to be a lot of different concerts, entertainment on the streets for children up until older age people, for everyone. So if you wanted to go to Villajoyosa and you will be here on these days at the end of July, this might be the perfect opportunity to go there and enjoy the celebration. Second news that I wanted to share with you all is that Benidorm has once again something flying above our heads. This is already not something unusual, and regular tourists Benidorm already are kind of used to it. But some of you guys might be able to sit down on the terrace having some nice drink or walking down Benidorm, and suddenly something just passes really fast, buzzing above your heads. Don't worry, because these are professional drones. Benidorm once again has gathered a huge project which is U-Space, in collaboration with Police of Benidorm, with a lot of different official entities that are producing drones in the area. And the whole entire month from now on, they will be trying out different routes in Benidorm. What they do is that they create a plan, the same plan as we have of the roads on the land as it is, the same map. They are creating and tracing different routes on the open air, which is absolutely crazy. How in the world are we kind of already in the future, you know? Remember these movies, like futuristic movies, when you put your heads up and they're filming the sky full of different cars and drones passing by, even like light systems that's controlling all the traffic, you know, like this. So this is the future of Benidorm, basically. Obviously not in like immediate future, but in the nearest future, probably. There's going to be drones that will be having, for now, around 4-5 routes. Mostly these ones will be connecting Rincon de Loix plus different hospitals, the public hospital of Villajoyosa, even the beach areas with police departments, or with the consultation places for health consultations. They are also trying, however, to measure the noise, because you know that smaller drones, obviously, they don't do such a big noise. So our home sound isolation kind of covers it up. However, if it's like a big drone that is transporting something, these have pretty much a high noise, a lot of them, since it's not covered with anything, you know, it's all on the open air, all the construction. So they are checking the sound to plan the roads this way so that they would not interfere in the normal life and in the relaxed, like sleep moments of a lot of people here. So they're trying to be as far away from the highly populated buildings where people live the whole year round. So we'll see how it goes. The last news that I wanted to share with you all is the latest challenge that a lot of the hotels are facing, which is earn more money with less clients. And the second part is to improve the reputation of the sector. While I couldn't agree more with the second part of it, saying that they want to earn more money with less clients, that's not always something logical to do, and it's not suitable for a lot of places here, especially in Benidorm town, because we've always had a lot of the hotels that are priced so differently that everyone are able to find something for their pocket for their holidays here in Benidorm town. But it's changing slowly but surely. There are a lot of the hotels in Benidorm that have surpassed all the logics in terms of pricing for the accommodation at their hotels for this summer holiday. When you compare them, it's quite interesting because there are a lot of four-star superior hotels here in the area. Most popular vacational hotels, they have a price that a lot of the 3-star and 3-star superior hotels that might be refurbished, whatever you want, but they don't have even close the service that these 4-star and 4-star superior hotels have. And they've put the same price and sometimes even higher than the 4-star hotels. which results in a 60% of occupancy, as we've told you before in the tourism update at the first part of the news of today. People are not booking them. So all the workers are starting to notice that, hey, it's somehow unusually quiet in a hotel right now. And this is obviously as a result of the highly increased prices that do not make any sense a lot of the times. Please let us know here in the comment down below if you've checked lately the prices in Benidorm whenever you wanted to book something. Did you find that some of the hotels that previously were really like low price hotels having prices that are really too much for what they are offering? Here on the screen you have different hotels. First one is Port Benidorm Hotel and Spa 4-star Superior. Amazing, gorgeous hotel. We filmed it for you guys, by the way. I've been waiting more than a year to show it to you, and finally we have the official tour inside, authorized official tour, which is very important. And this hotel is 130 euros in booking.com for 2 adults for right now for 1 night price. Next one, Hotel Voramar. 4 stars hotel situated in the Old Town. Incredible area, very nice hotel. 131 euros. Attention. Hotel Bristol, brand newly refurbished, redone from scratch, right next to La Higuera Park in Benidorm, Old Town City Center, Mediterranean Avenue is nearby. It's ideal place to be. Also, 142 euros, 4-star Superior Hotel, okay? Then you have Aguirre Springs by Met Playa. We filmed it as well. You have an official tour on the channel. Click here down below in the comment and you will find it out. And 153 euros as well offer Met Playa Rio Park Hotel, situated slightly further up. This one is just 4 stars, but it also costs 155 euros. We filmed it, by the way, too. Hotel Deloitte, which is 4-star Superior Hotel, amazing spa, amazing swimming pool, different areas, like common areas, really great. Situated on the upside of Rincon Deloitte, next to the Benidorm's Palace, a dinner show. And now on the screen we have Hotel Gala Placidia. 3 stars hotel, well, 3 stars Superior. They've changed it. Yes, they've refurbished it, but still it's a 3 stars hotel. It has 2 small pools. It might be nice inside. It's really cozy, but still it's not a 4-star hotel or not even 4-star Superior. Their price right now, shocking. Even the workers at this hotel are shocked by its price. 175 euros per night for 2 people. What would you choose? Let us know, please. If I'm the only crazy one and if the workers are the only crazy ones here that we think it's overpriced, what would you choose? 175 euros in a 3-star hotel or an amazing 4-star Superior Hotel right by the beach? Maybe even with sea view. Let us know, because I'm not quite sure what is the reason behind it, but obviously that's why these hotels are slightly not as busy as before. Obviously, there are other hotels, 3 stars, that are really nicely priced, that are even better refurbished ones, that are situated in the city center or close to the beach with the sea views. For example, there is one which is Hotel Bilbaíno, 3 stars hotel. It's actually one of the first hotels in Benidorm that have opened up even before the boom of the tourism happened in town. And this one right on the front line of the Levante beach, next to the Old Town. 3 stars, amazing place, 113 euros. This is the usual price of 3-star hotels, but not the one that we've seen. And for 130, you can have a 4-star Superior Hotel Port Benidorm. How in the world is this potentially happening? Even others, for example, cost 155 euros, might be costing, yes, but this is because they are situated on the front line of the beach. Something slightly outside, 175 for the service that you have, for the common areas that you have. How in the world is that even possible? So check it out. Don't run for the first one. You will see. Please, that will be my advice for this summer 2023. And now let's talk about the weather. What is happening with the weather right now? Because it's been really crazy. The weather is actually really nice. You can see there are a tiny bit of clouds here right above these giant eucalyptus trees in one of the parks here in the area, a couple of kilometers from Benidorm. A lot of people are searching for shade because that's what we need with the proper summer temperatures. In general, I must say that it's sunny and summery in all Spain as it is, including the Canarian and Balearic Islands. And there's not going to be any kind of storm and nothing at all. It's just a typical summer weather with a lot of sunshine and a couple of clouds, which makes it easier to survive the summer heat. There's not going to be any heat wave right now, but it's quite probable there is going to be a heat wave next week, which is not something to be surprised of any longer. The temperatures are really nice right now. It's around 30 degrees, and these are going to be the maximum ones, surprisingly for us, because it was 37 degrees outside. And next week, however, on Thursday, around Thursday, we're going to be reaching around 37 degrees on the sunshine, which might be even more of a real feel. So bear that in mind if you are coming in the next days here to Benidorm town. And the water temperature is of around 27.2, so it's great for swimming. Thank you for accompanying us on today's latest news update from Costa Blanca, Spain, Benidorm area. And we hope you enjoyed today's video. We hope you got to see something useful and informative for you guys, and we'll see each other in a new video tomorrow. Bye, dears.